Today, Tuesday, 8th of December 2021. This is the forecast for our trading strategy. US dollar against Japanese yen of tomorrow, Wednesday, 9th of December 2021. As we have seen, the US dollar against Japanese yen is tracking yields to snap 2-day uptrend around 113.50. As we have predicted, the market is increasing again, and we are also in the market in a long position with both dollar against Japanese yen or stop at 113.10. US dollar against Japanese yen is staying pressured around the daily bottom of 113.35 as markets in Tokyo open for Wednesday. And we will see what will happen. In doing so, the yen pair declines for the first time in 2 days as fresh challenges to sentiment weight on US bond coupons. But technically seen, the US dollar yen pair traded with a positive bias through the early North American session and was last seen trading around the 113.65. A combination of supporting factors assisted the US dollar pair to build on the previous day's positive move and gain some follow-through transaction and also traction for the second successive day on today's markets. Technically, we are still in an uptrend or support at 112.54, still very firm, and fundamentally, technically seen, we see also that S&P 500 is also rising, and also Dow Jones prices are climbing up. And it is very interesting to compare US dollar Japanese yen, which is highly correlated to S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. On a purely directional basis, the dollar yen exchange rate has become highly correlated with that. The key quote is, this is what one would expect to be the case if the yen was used as a funding currency over the past 30 days. For example, the correlation between the yen and Dow Jones is near 0.88 or 88%. And it was inversely correlated in July and also had approached correlation levels in May and June, and this during the last 25 years. The strong correlation between dollar yen exchange rate and S&P 500 and also the Dow Jones Stock 600 is consistent with one expects if the yen was used as a funding currency to buy shares. However, the hypothesis breaks down when it comes to emerging market equities, and also the correlation between the dollar yen exchange rate and MSCI Emerging Market Equity Index 0.25 over the past 30 days. Geopolitically, anxiety tends to be intense but short-lived. We have on the first, on one side we have the inflation, and also rumors that maybe Bank of Japan increasing the interest rates, and whatever happened, the difference between the US interest rates and Japanese are much too much, so that makes the US dollar on one side very attractive to investors. On the other side, the oil prices are climbing higher again, and it means Japan is a very oil-dependent country, and that is weakening the yen on the same time. If we see now Australian dollar against Japanese yen, we see also the same also trade war between Australia and China, but at the same time the weakening of yen is increasing the Australian dollar against yen, where we are also in our long profit with plus. Then we have also euro against Japanese yen. We are long also since yesterday in good, tremendous profit positive area. If you look now at Japanese yen, we see we are in long position, but on the other side there are some rumors of lockdown in January in Great Britain and British Island. So let's wait and see. Japanese yen, GBP and Japanese yen is also on the same time favorite currency of retailers. We look now at Canadian dollar against Japanese yen, and we see yes, we have here very good ground on daily chart. If we go now to the 4-hour chart, we see yes, we have already broken 89,703. The market is increasing good, and now the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we have sold today at 4 o'clock in the morning Asian time the position or short position, and we are long also in this market. Here is really interesting to see that we have also broken the double trend side here at this area especially, and we see here that we have a very big power behind of the Swiss franc. On the same time, the gold price is downtrend or falling with no clear direction. So this is another indication that Japanese yen is weakening. And also we say the other gold currency, the Kiwi, New Zealand dollar, also increasing very good, and coming much more near to 78,100. Once breaking that, we will see prices around 80 to 81 again very soon. So now we take a look on the same time to the other cross currencies. We see also Turkish lira is building some good ground and positioning starting to gain against the Japanese yen. We see euro against lira is falling on the same time, and if we can now extend that kind of analysis also to compare other currencies, and we see that the yen index is falling. Have a nice day.